following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, near shore and adjacent open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winthrop Harbor to 11 nautical miles northwest of Montrose Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, buoy. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. Here is